Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add equity scheduling to Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account by filling my email address and password. Click on this website button below the website you want to add equity scheduling on. And from this left side menu, click on scheduling. Wait a moment. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, so how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. And Acuity Scheduling now is added to my account on Squarespace. This is an email that you will receive instantly. It tells you that you have a 14 days free trial. And here you see a message that tells you to set up your billing to avoid any gaps in Acuity Scheduling service. That was all for this video. Don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe. Thank you.